Okay, here's one actually I meant to do ages ago. Vehicle to load. So if you have an Ioniq 5 or an Ioniq 6, anyway, if you get one of these adapters, so this is a vehicle to load adapter, over here into the charging port. So this end is pretty much like the charging cable end. So you plug it in like you're plugging in a charge cable, and then you can squeeze these two sides here and they open up. And in here then you can see a 3-pin plug. And just for demonstration, this is a electrical sign. So if I plug this into the 3-pin, that's now plugged in. It's not working yet because what you got to do is then press this here. So the green lights come on, and that means now the sign turns on and off depending whether you work the switch. Another aspect you can see in the screen up here, it's telling you transferring vehicle to load. It's giving about 0.1 kilowatts to the sign. So yeah, the other thing I was going to say is you can decide how much power you want to allow it. So give the car, it's like turning on the ignition on the car. We're not starting it, we're just turning on to ignition. Into the EV setting, and down here then there's a vehicle to load setting. And I can basically say, this car is currently 80% charged. So I could say, stop giving that sign power when the battery, as in the traction battery, gets down to 80% or 70% or 60 or 50 or 40 or 20 or whatever it is, the lowest being 20. So if I set it at this, we're now at 81%. If I waited, once it hits 80 or goes to 79 more to the point, it'll stop transferring the power. So that's how it works. Anyway, hopefully that gives you a better idea of how the V2L works. When you're finished, all you do is just turn it off from here. So I'm just going to press this button here. So if I press that button, it turns it off, and you'll see on the screen, vehicle to load conditions not met, and that's the end of it. Anyway, hopefully that's useful. Thanks for watching.